When it comes to your health, what you put in your body goes a long way. That's no different for your lungs. If you're concerned about warding off lung cancer, repairing any damage that you may have done over the years with smoking, or managing an existing lung condition such as COPD or asthma, listen up. There are specific foods that you can eat that have been scientifically proven to make a difference to the health of your lungs. Stay tuned for the best foods that are good for your lungs that experts recommend, plus tips on what to avoid. 1. Garlic. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties and reduces damage caused by free radicals. Studies suggest that raw garlic consumption may also play a role in reducing the risk of developing lung cancer. Another study showed that garlic effectively inhibited the growth of infectious bronchitis virus. This finding suggests garlic can be used as a natural remedy for bronchitis. 2. Water. For optimal lung health, make sure to drink plenty of water, as your lungs utilize water to keep your airways clean and clear of mucus and inflammatory buildup. Lungs are 80% water, and even mild dehydration can impact lung function significantly. Staying well hydrated by taking in fluids throughout the day helps keep the mucosal linings in the lungs thin. This thinner lining helps the lungs function better. 3. Complex carbs. According to the American Lung Association, people who suffer from COPD may benefit from reducing carbohydrates in their diets and instead ingesting more healthy fats. Carbohydrates produce the most carbon dioxide as part of their digestion compared to fats. It's recommended that you stick to healthy carbs that are loaded with fiber and have higher anti-inflammatory properties, like sprouted whole grain bread or steel-cut oatmeal. Focus on these and avoid simple carbs in all processed foods or pastries, white bread, and those in sugary beverages. 4. Healthy fats. Fats have the lowest carbon dioxide load during metabolism. So if you already have difficulty breathing, you may notice better breathing on a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet. To get more healthy fats, include 1 serving of nuts daily. Try walnuts, which are the richest plant source of omega-3 fats, and eat fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and anchovies, at least 2 to 3 times per week. Another simple way to take in healthy fats is to sprinkle ground flaxseed or chia seeds on cereal and salads. 5. Tomatoes and tomato products. Tomatoes and tomato products are among the richest dietary sources of antioxidant that's been associated with improved lung health. Consuming tomato products has also been shown to reduce airway inflammation in people with asthma and improve lung function in people with COPD. One study in people with asthma demonstrated that a diet rich in tomatoes was associated with a lower prevalence of poorly controlled asthma. 6. Vitamin D-rich foods. Vitamin D can boost the immune system and reduce airway inflammation. Low levels of vitamin D are associated with increased childhood asthma, and vitamin D supplements have been shown to help reduce asthma attacks. Other studies suggest a possible correlation between reduced vitamin D levels and lung disease. Dietary sources of vitamin D include fortified milk, eggs, yogurt, and salmon. 7. Green tea. Green tea is a good choice for lung health due to its high levels of antioxidants, which act like a natural antihistamine and slows down the release of histamines, reduces inflammation, and protects the lungs from irritation. 8. Vitamin C foods. Research suggests that dietary vitamin C can provide protection against COPD independent of smoking history. And other studies have suggested that vitamin C might have a protective effect against lung cancer. It's recommended to get your daily dose of vitamin C from foods such as orange-colored produce like oranges, papayas, apples, and red bell peppers. 9. Protein-rich foods. Making sure that you're getting ample protein is key to maintaining good lung health. Most adults tend to get just a little protein at breakfast, such as from cereal, toast, oatmeal, or a bagel, a bit more from lunch, and a big dose of protein at dinner. That means most of our protein intake is skewed to later in the day. To help our bodies incorporate and use protein better, we should spread it out evenly throughout the day. For ample protein at each meal, try selecting sources such as eggs, Greek yogurt, a protein shake, healthy plant-based proteins like nuts and legumes, and lean meats like poultry, which has been linked to a 10% reduction in the risk of developing lung cancer. 10. Leafy greens. To support overall lung health and protect the lungs from inflammation and infection, leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are anti-inflammatory powerhouses. These foods contain chlorophyll, which gives them their green color and helps support blood flow to the lungs. 11. Broccoli. A recent study found that broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables can be attributed to a reduced risk in developing lung cancer in smokers. It contains a substance which turns on anti-inflammatory genes. Other cruciferous vegetables include cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts. 12. Ginger. Ginger is a natural decongestant that helps to clear up clogged air passages and improve circulation in the lungs. Again, the easiest way to consume the spice is in the form of a soothing warm ginger tea. You can also grate fresh ginger, which can be purchased in the grocery store, over dishes like stir-fry. 13. Turmeric. This spice is related to ginger, with many of the same benefits. It also contains curcumin, a compound that encourages the self-destruction of cancer cells. Curcumin helps to relieve inflammation and chest tightness that's associated with asthma. One study followed participants with mild and moderate asthma who took curcumin capsules for 30 days. Researchers found that these supplements reduced obstructions in the airway and could be a complementary treatment for asthma sufferers. 14. Beans and seeds. Beans and seeds contain a good amount of magnesium, a mineral that contributes to healthy lung function. They also provide essential fatty acids that are good for the cardiovascular system. Flax seeds are a great choice as they contain a healthy dose of vitamin E, boosting the immune system and supply of red blood cells. 15. Carrots. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and lycopene, all antioxidants that affect lung health and lower the chances of developing lung disease. Researchers found that drinking carrot juice may help to prevent a type of damage that leads to lung cancer in smokers. Carrots are a healthy and tasty snack to eat on the go. 16. Pumpkins. The brightly colored flesh of pumpkins contains a variety of lung health-promoting plant compounds. It's another food rich in beta-carotene and vitamin C, like carrots, and is full of antioxidants that may help to combat cancer, in particular prostate and lung. It's also a good source of fiber and potassium. 17. Beets and beet greens. The vibrantly colored root and greens of the beetroot plant contain compounds that optimize lung function. Beetroot and beet greens are rich in nitrates, which have been shown to benefit lung function. Nitrates help relax blood vessels, reduce blood pressure, and optimize oxygen uptake. Beetroot supplements have been shown to improve physical performance and lung function in people with lung conditions including COPD and pulmonary hypertension, a disease that causes high blood pressure in the lungs. Additionally, beet greens are packed with magnesium, potassium, vitamin C, and carotenoid antioxidants, all of which are essential to lung health. 18. Apples. Research has shown that regularly eating apples may help promote lung function. For example, studies show that apple intake is associated with a slower decline in lung function in ex-smokers. Additionally, consuming 5 or more apples per week is associated with greater lung function and reduced risk of developing COPD. Apple intake has been linked to a lower risk of asthma and lung cancer. This may be due to the high concentration of antioxidants in apples, including flavonoids and vitamin C. 19. Blueberries. Blueberries are loaded with nutrients, and their consumption has been associated with a number of health benefits, including protecting and preserving lung function. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to detox and cleanse your lungs naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.